In this video, I will show you how to set up a prepayment on Booking.com. Let's get started. First, log in to your Booking.com extranet. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Property tab, located in the top menu, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the Policies option. Once you're on the Policies page, you'll see an area labeled Cancellation and Prepayment Policies. This section allows you to define how you handle prepayments for your property. To update or edit it, simply click on Update Preferences. As you scroll down, you will find a section called Temporary Policy Exception. Click on the Edit button. In this section, you'll find the option to create a temporary exception. If you choose to create one, click on the corresponding button. Now you can customize your policy by entering the necessary details. This includes setting the applicable dates, rates, and other conditions for the prepayment. Be as specific as possible to ensure clarity for your guests. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click on Preview Temporary Policy to double-check the information. Review everything carefully to ensure there are no mistakes. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking on Complete this form. After submitting, your updated prepayment policy will be saved and applied to your property listing. You can always come back to this section to make further adjustments if needed.